Today I'm going to talk about the root parameters in Laravel application. Usually we want to pass some parameters to the root so that the user can get a customized or user-specific response. How can we do that? Let's go straight into what we have been using for several videos, the message send application. From the root, you can see we have a bunch of roots. So message send, v2 message send. So every root has no parameter. So now let's try to make something different. Say I want to use some parameter in the message send root. Something like I want to pass my name as the URL parameter. Say I want to put name here. So this is how we can define the root with a parameter. So this parameter can be accessed by the controller. It's here, name. Pay more attention to the naming convention, so name. Okay, so now I'm going to replace the OK, not to replace it. Instead, I'm going to add one more property here, name. So let's see. Apparently, it shows you that it's for not found. The reason is that we have changed the root. We expect a name parameter in the URL. Apparently, we have no name or no extra part of the URL. So now I'll say XYZ. So you can see the name XYZ. So this is how we can pass the parameter in the URL. You may be wondering, what if I don't have to have a parameter? So what we just show, we just tried, I just show you here is a require parameter. If we want to make it optional, we can use a question mark. So in this way, we don't have to pass a name parameter now. Without it, you can see here, send 0 passed, but it requires 1. Then we need to give a default value, right? So this is how it works. We can also change it to something ABC. Now it's ABC. Okay, there are two aspects from root point of view. We can make the parameter optional. Secondly, for example, in the controller's function, as the parameter is optional, it may not pass any parameter to the function when it's not provided by the user. So you need to give it default value to the parameter, function parameter. That's how it works. Okay. Now we have gone through the root parameter, the required parameter, and optional. The last thing I want to show you is the dependency injection. We can also inject the dependency to the function, the controller function, with the root parameters. How can we inject a message service to the send function? We can simply put it here, message service. Now we are not going to call the send function of the service property of the controller. Instead, we are going to use the service instance injected. Okay. Let's hit the endpoint again. Let's see the logs. It's also producing the log entry sending message via email. You can see here, sending message via email. The difference is that we are using the dependency injected. Pay more attention. You need to put all the dependencies in front of the parameter. So that's how it works. So that's the dependency injection with root. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'm going to talk more about the root parameters in next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.